आसतु ए वीडियो रे आज आम 60 एमसीक्यू माध्यम समुद्रगुप्त बैकग्राउंड एंड कनक्वेस्ट गुड़िक आलोचना करवा। यार पीडीएफ टी डाउनलोड करने टेलीग्राम ग्रुप रो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स रही है, डाउनलोड करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हु वाज द फादर ऑफ समुद्रगुप्त? राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, हु वाज द मदर ऑफ समुद्रगुप्त? राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, कुमार देवी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, समुद्रगुप्त बिलोंग टू व्हिच डायनेस्टी? राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी, गुप्ता डायनेस्टी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, द describe समुद्रगुप्त as the Napoleon of India? Right answer is option number C, V. A. Smith. Question number 5, which inscription provide detailed information about Samudragupta's conquest? Right answer is option number A, Allahabad pillar inscription. Question number 6, who was the composer of the Allahabad pillar inscription of Samudragupta? Right answer is option number A, Hari Sen. Question number 7, which title was assumed by Samudragupta for his military victory? Right answer is option number B, Maharajadhiraj. Question number 8, which ruler was defeated by Samudragupta in his northern campaign? Right answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 9, how many rulers Aryabharta were defeated by Samudragupta? Right answer is option number 12. Question number 10, which southern ruler was defeated by Samudragupta? Right answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 11, the southern ruler defeated by Samudragupta were allowed to. Right answer is option number A. Question number 12, which forest tribes were subdued by Samudragupta? Right answer is option number C. Question number 13, which foreign king sent envoys to Samudragupta's court? Right answer is option number A, King of Ceylon. Question number 14, the king of Ceylon who sent mission to Samudragupta was? Right answer is option number A, Meghavarna. Question number 15, which cultural activity was Samudragupta famous for apart from wars? Right answer is option number A, music. Question number 16, what was the Samudragupta title as a patron of music? Right answer is option number B, Veena Purusha. Question number 17, Samudragupta's empire extend from? Right answer is option number B, Ganga to Kanchi. Question number 18, who succeeded Samudragupta after his death? Right answer is option number B, Chandragupta Ditya. Question number 19, which title was given to Samudragupta in the Allahabad inscription? Right answer is option number D. Question number 20, Samudragupta performed which grand Vedic sacrifice? Right answer is option number C, Ashwamedha Yajna. Question number 21, Which Gupta ruler issued gold coin showing him playing the veena? Right answer is option number B. Samudragupta. Question number 22. Samudragupta defeated which Naga's ruler during his campaign? Right answer is option number B. Ganapati Naga. Question number 23. The Atavika mentioned in the Allahabad inscription referred to. Right answer is option number A. Forest tribes. Question number 24. Samudragupta's southern campaign was successful against. Right answer is option number D. All of the above. Question number 25. Which king performed the Ashwamedha sacrifice to exert his authority like Samudragupta? ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତଙ୍କ ପରି କେଉଁ ରାଜା ଅଶ୍ୱମେଧ ଯଜ୍ଞ କରିଥିଲେ? ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ଇଜ୍ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ବି ଚନ୍ଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତ ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ। Question number 26. Which of the following was not a furniture state under ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତ? ନିମ୍ନଲିଖିତ କେଉଁଟା ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତଙ୍କ ସୀମାନ୍ତ ରାଜ୍ୟ ନୁହେଁ? ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ଇଜ୍ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ସି ପଞ୍ଜାବ। Question number 27. Which foreign power maintained friendly relation with ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତ? ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତଙ୍କ ସହ କେଉଁ ବିଦେଶୀ ଶକ୍ତି ସୁମଧୁର ସମ୍ପର୍କ ସ୍ଥାପନ କରିଥିଲେ? ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ଇଜ୍ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ସି ସିଲନ୍। Question number 28. In how many directions did Samudragupta expand his empire? ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତ କେତେ ଦିଗରେ ସାମ୍ରାଜ୍ୟ ବିସ୍ତାର କରିଥିଲେ? ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ଇଜ୍ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ଡି 4ଟି। Question number 29. Samudragupta issued coin with which emblem of power? ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତ କେଉଁ ଶକ୍ତିର ପ୍ରତୀକ ସହିତ ମୁଦ୍ରା ପ୍ରକାଶ କରିଥିଲେ? ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ଇଜ୍ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ବି ଅଶ୍ୱମେଧ ଘୋଡ଼ା। Question number 30. Which religion did Samudragupta patronize the most? ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତ କେଉଁ ଧର୍ମକୁ ସବୁଠାରୁ ଅଧିକ ପ୍ରତିପାଳନ କରିଥିଲେ? ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ଇଜ୍ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ସି ବୈଷ୍ଣବ ଧର୍ମକୁ। Question number 31. Which famous Buddhist monastery was allowed to be built with Samudragupta's permission? ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତଙ୍କ ଅନୁମତିରେ କେଉଁ ବୌଦ୍ଧ ବିହାର ନିର୍ମିତ ହୋଇଥିଲା? ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ଇଜ୍ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ସି। Question number 32. Who among the following was not defeated by ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତ? ନିମ୍ନଲିଖିତ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ କିଏ ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା ପରାଜିତ ହୋଇନଥିଲେ? ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ଇଜ୍ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ଡି ଚନ୍ଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତ ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ। Question number 33. Which neighboring kingdom was shut down by ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତ? ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତ କେଉଁ ପଡ଼ୋଶୀ ରାଜ୍ୟକୁ ଅଧୀନ କରିଥିଲେ? ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ଇଜ୍ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ଏ ନେପାଳ। Question number 34. Samudragupta's southern campaign covered how many kings? ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତଙ୍କ ଦକ୍ଷିଣ ଅଭିଯାନରେ କେତେ ଜଣ ରାଜା ସାମିଲ ହୋଇଥିଲେ? ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ହେଇଯିବ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ସି 14 ଜଣ। Question number 35. Which title reflect Samudragupta's literary talent? ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତଙ୍କ ସାହିତ୍ୟିକ ପ୍ରତିଭାକୁ କେଉଁ ଉପାଧି ପ୍ରକାଶ କରେ? ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ଇଜ୍ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ବି କବିରାଜ ଉପାଧି। Question number 36. Who was the court poet of ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତ? ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତଙ୍କ ଦରବାର କବି କିଏ ଥିଲେ? ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ଇଜ୍ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ବି ହରିସେନ। Question number 37. Which source provide Details about ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତ music patronage. ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତଙ୍କ ସଙ୍ଗୀତ ପ୍ରତିପାଳନ ବିଷୟରେ କେଉଁ ଉତ୍ସ ସୂଚନା ଦେଇଥାଏ? Right answer is option number A, coin. Question number 38. Samudragupta's policy tower defeated southern king can be best described as. ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତଙ୍କ ପରାଜିତ ଦକ୍ଷିଣ ରାଜାଙ୍କ ପ୍ରତି ନୀତି କଣ ଭାବେ ବିବର୍ଣ୍ଣନ କରାଯାଇପାରେ? Right answer is option number B, ନମ୍ର ଭାବରେ। Question number 39. Which important aspect of policy did Samudragupta introduce through his conquest? ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତ ତାଙ୍କ ବିଜୟ ଦ୍ୱାରା କେଉଁ ରାଜନୈତିକ ପ୍ରଣାଳୀରେ ପ୍ରଚଳନ କରିଥିଲେ? Right answer is option number C. Question number 40. The Allahabad inscription divided Samudragupta's conquest into how many groups? ଆଲାହାବାଦ ଶିଳାଲେଖ ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତଙ୍କ ବିଜୟକୁ କେତେ ଦଳରେ ବିଭକ୍ତ କରାଇଥିଲେ? Right answer is option number C, 4 ଦଳରେ। Question number 41. Which title was given to Samudragupta for his great achievement in war and arts? ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତଙ୍କ ଯୁଦ୍ଧ ଓ କଳାରେ ବିଶାଳ ସଫଳତା ପାଇଁ କେଉଁ ଉପାଧି ଦିଆଯାଇଥିଲା? Right answer is option number A, କବିରାଜ ଉପାଧି। Question number 42. Samudragupta's southern campaign include defeating how many rulers? ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତଙ୍କ ଦକ୍ଷିଣ ପଥ ଅଭିଯାନରେ କେତୋଟି ରାଜାଙ୍କୁ ପରାଜିତ କରିଥିଲେ? Right answer is option number C, 14 ରାଜାଙ୍କୁ। Question number 43. Who was the ruler of Kanchi defeated by Samudragupta? କାଞ୍ଚିର କେଉଁ ରାଜାଙ୍କୁ ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତ ପରାଜିତ କରିଥିଲେ? Right answer is option number A, ବିଷ୍ଣୁଗୁପ୍ତଙ୍କୁ। Question number 44. Which famous Chinese pilgrim mentioned Samudragupta as a ruler of great power? କେଉଁ ପ୍ରସିଦ୍ଧ ଚୀନ ଯାତ୍ରୀ ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ବିଶାଳ ଶକ୍ତିଶାଳୀ ଶାସକ ବୋଲି କହିଥିଲେ? Right answer is option number B, ହାୟାନ। Question number 45. Samudragupta's Allahabad inscription was composed by. ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତଙ୍କ ଆଲାହାବାଦ ଶିଳାଲେଖ କାହାର ରଚନା ଥିଲା? Right answer is option number A, ହରିଜନଙ୍କର। Question number 46. The Allahabad inscription mentions how many category of king subdued by Samudragupta? ଆଲାହାବାଦ ଶିଳାଲେଖରେ ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା କେତୋଟି ଶ୍ରେଣୀର ରାଜାଙ୍କୁ ଅଧୀନ କରାଯାଇଥିଲା କୁହାଯାଇଛି? Right answer is option number C, 4ଟି। Question number 47. Who among the following accepted the overlordship of Samudragupta after defeat? ନିମ୍ନଲିଖିତମାନଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ କିଏ ପରାଜୟ ପରେ ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ସୁଜନାଟିକୁ ସ୍ୱୀକାର କରିଥିଲେ? Right answer is option number A, Question number 48. Samudragupta assumed which title after performing the ଅଶ୍ୱମେଧ sacrifice? ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତ ଅଶ୍ୱମେଧ ଯଜ୍ଞ କରିବା ପରେ କେଉଁ ଉପାଧି ଗ୍ରହଣ କରିଥିଲେ? Right answer is option number B, Question number 49. Samudragupta defeated the ruler of Assam known as. ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତ ଆସାମର କେଉଁ ରାଜାଙ୍କୁ ପରାଜିତ କରିଥିଲେ? Right answer is option number C, Question number 50. Which king of Dakshinapatha is not mentioned in Allahabad inscription? ଦକ୍ଷିଣପଥର କେଉଁ ରାଜାଙ୍କୁ ଆଲାବାଦ ଶିଳାଲେଖରେ ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରାଯାଇନାହିଁ? ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ଇଜ୍ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ଡି। Question number 51. The tribute paying ruler of Samudragupta include ruler from which region? ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତଙ୍କୁ କରଦାନ କରୁଥିବା ରାଜ୍ୟମାନେ କେଉଁ ଅଞ୍ଚଳରୁ ଥିଲେ? ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ଇଜ୍ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ଡି। Question number 52. Which of the following dynasty maintain friendly relationship with ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତ? ନିମ୍ନଲିଖିତ କୂଳମାନଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ କିଏ ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତ ସହ ସୁସମ୍ପର୍କ ସ୍ଥାପନ କରିଥିଲେ? ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ଇଜ୍ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ଏ। Question number 53. ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତ ସାଉଥର୍ନ ଏକ୍ସପେଡିସନ was more about ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତଙ୍କ ଦକ୍ଷିଣପଥୀୟ ଅଭିଯାନର ପ୍ରଥମ ପ୍ରଧାନ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା? ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ଇଜ୍ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ବି। Question number 54. Who was called king of poets among ଗୁପ୍ତ ruler? ଗୁପ୍ତ ରାଜାମାନଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ କାହାକୁ କବିରାଜ ବୋଲି କୁହାଯାଉଥିଲା? ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ଇଜ୍ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ବି। ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତଙ୍କୁ। Question number 55. Which inscription describe ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତ's conquest in detail? ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତଙ୍କ ଜୟାଭିଯାନକୁ ବିସ୍ତୃତରେ କେଉଁ ଶିଳାଲେଖରେ ବର୍ଣ୍ଣନା କରାଯାଇଛି? ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ଇଜ୍ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ବି। ଆଲାହାବାଦ ପିଲର ଇନସ୍କ୍ରିପସନରେ। Question number 56. ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତ's content depicted him playing which musical instrument? Right answer is option number A, Veena. Question number 57. Samudragupta answered which region directly into his empire? ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତ କେଉଁ ଅଞ୍ଚଳକୁ ସରାସରି ସାମ୍ରାଜ୍ୟରେ ଭେଟିଥିଲେ? Right answer is option number D. Question number 58. Which ruler of Ceylon sent an envoy to Samudragupta's court? Right answer is option number A, Meghavarnanku. Question number 59. Which area of modern India largely correspond to Aryabhatta of Samudragupta's time? ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତଙ୍କ ସମୟରେ ଆର୍ଯ୍ୟଭଟ୍ଟ କେଉଁ ଆଧୁନିକ ଭାରତ ଅଞ୍ଚଳ ସହ ସମାନ ଥିଲା? ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ଇଜ୍ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ସି, ଉତ୍ତର ଭାରତ ସହ। Question number 60. ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତ's foreign policy mainly aimed at ସମୁଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତଙ୍କ ବିଦେଶୀ ନୀତିର ପ୍ରଧାନ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା? ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ଇଜ୍ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ବି,